Pitay District with under 9 minutes and 33 seconds left. Calvines, number 23. Diretso sa basket. Look. Patay na isamang foul. Followed by Artillery District. Pedro will be recorded to Calvines, number 20.
Ready, Binsa!
Score is tied 1-1. Multiplano, pass to Rivera. Jump shot, no good. Rebound. Wala pa rin ang Artillery.
Tora!
Can to shoot now. Multiplano. Screen by Rivera. Diretso si Multiplano. There's a foul there.
Foul by Pitay. Same goal, wala pa rin ang Artillery District with 9 minutes and 2 seconds left. The score is tied 1-1. Multiplano, as a goal, number 5. Nabitawan ang bola. It's violation there. May talo lang sa Pitay District. With under 9 minutes and 4 seconds left. Calvines, as the ball, binaban
Hey!
Rivera. Extra passing Corona sa ilalim. Yes! Score! Warning Pitay for delaying the game. Score 2-1. 8 minutes and 45 seconds left. 10 to shoot. Multiplano. Pass the ball. Nabitawan ang bola. Na-steal ni Corona. Corona ngayon. Naghanap ng mapasahan. Pass to Redondo.
Nice, nice.
The good that there's a whistle there by referee Enrico. Enrico for number 24, Redondo. Multiplano pass to Rivera. Free to shoot. Basket count 2-3. In favor by sa Pitay District. Calvines.
Nice foul.
Foul by Artillery District. Time remaining 8 minutes and 11 seconds left. 1.3 for Pitay District.
Digantilin na dong. Referee ya, digantilin.
Calvines
Dilim dong. Wala ang lego.
Score 4-2. In favor pa rin sa Pitay. Bonus free throw. Calvines. No good. Rebound by Redondo.
Nice, nice.
It's good. Score 5-2. 3-point lead for Pitay District.
Nice foul.
There's a foul there by Colonna from time remaining 7 minutes and 54 seconds left. Calvines. Pass to Gapatayan sa ni Rivera.
Kaya.
Colonna, 9 to shoot.
Tuhod po.
7 to shoot. Out of bounds. An error there by Pitay District. Disqualification. Ngayon, binabatayan sa ni Calvines. Nagbalik sila ng switch. Si Colonna bumabatayan sa kanya. For to shoot. Jump shot by Multiplano. Good. Rebound by Redondo. Pass to Calvines. Out of bounds.
Sige.
Wala pa rin ang Artillery District. With under 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 7 minutes and 25 seconds left. 9 to shoot now. Screen by Rivera. Multiplano. Pass to Rivera. Jump shot. Yes! Score 3-5. Wala ka sa Redondo. Nice shot. Score 6-3. Multiplano number 5. 7 to shoot.
Nice steal. Nice.
Nice. Score 7-3. 6 minutes and 50 seconds left. Multiplano shoot now. 3 to shoot.
Sana ko lang pala
Sa violation. Shot clock violation there for Artillery District. Score 7-3 with under 6 minutes and 41 seconds. Mula na Titay District kay ang Cavite. Oy, extra killers na niya.
Nice!
Yes! Oy, katamaan niya ng pangi Cavite. Konti klaro. Konti klaro yan. Inutunan.
Offensive, offensive.
Foul by Titay District. Score 8-3. Nakanaliba ang Titay District. With under 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Konti klaro number 5. Screen by Villaganas. 7 to shoot now. Konti klaro. Libre sa gitna. No good. Ang unang mula. Nakuha ngayon ang Titay District. Paharon. Extra pass rin. Todo!
Nice!
And how the pass score Paharon. Score 9-3 in favor of sa Titay District. Fico for number 4. Redondo. Pasok ang free throw ni Redondo. Score 10-3. 7 to shoot. Sa ilalim si Rivera. Oy, naipasabit doon. It's a foul by Aurelio. Foul by Titay District. Time out, Titay District.